guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today, yes, we are finally back. So we might as well address the elephant in the room. I did stop my YouTube channel maybe a few months back, but I was going through a lot. I ended up taking all the money out of my cash envelopes. I wasn't sure if I was ever going to stuff them again. But then I finally decided to start stuffing them again. So in this cash stuffing video, we will be stuffing $484. But once you look, you'll see that there is money back in my envelopes because I started stuffing again maybe 2-3 weeks ago. Or not 2-3 weeks ago, but 2-3 paychecks ago. So yeah, and as you'll see, I'm back with the old binders. I don't know, I just missed them and I kind of love the way they look. So I was like, I might as well just go back to using them. You see, we're back to the black desk. I got a new desk. I rearranged my whole room. It's just a whole lot that has happened with me. So yeah, but we're back. Hopefully we're back for good, because I am planning on possibly starting my own business. Don't know when, but I am thinking about it. So I will keep you guys updated when it comes to that. But yeah, so I'm going to put all the money in my cash tray and we'll get started. Alright, you guys, so gas nowadays, instead of getting 25, we are doing 50. So we're doing 25 and 25. So we have 20, 40, 45, and 50. I hope you guys missed me. I missed you guys so much. When I was stuffing, I was like, this just doesn't seem right. Like, no interaction, nothing. So spending, will be getting 35. So 20, 30, 35. And I've been doing pretty well with the 35. I got a few new things that I'm working on, like envelope wise. I got a sinking fund for my sister now. And then I started some saving challenges, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Medical is getting $5 today. So now we're at 20, 40, 25, 10, 15, 20 in medical, which I might need soon because I'm looking into a new dentist. Shoes will be getting $2. 1, 2. So now we're at 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And I have a trip coming up next month, so I might end up using my credit card for that and then paying it off over time. Gaming, it's getting $2 as well. So it has 20, 30, 35, 36, and 37. Subscriptions will be getting 5. So now we're at 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay. Extra. You know, I usually do this at the end, but I kind of stopped doing that since I budget for how much is going in there. And plus, we had no rollover from my gas or my spending envelope. So I might as well do it now. So gas is getting 131. I mean, gas extra. Hold on. Yeah, so we have 1, 20, 30, and then 1. So So now in extra, we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 81. So we have 381 in extra, which is my extra debt payment, which I will possibly take this money out, pay off my credit card, and then reuse my credit card again for this trip. So yeah, it's backwards. Beauty will be getting $2, but I might need to start buffing this up pretty soon because this trip, got to get my hair done. So beauty is at 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Which, you know, they say every dollar counts, so that's fine with me. On to my other binder. Okay, Christmas. Oh, so for Christmas, I ended up picking my mother, surprisingly, for Secret Santa. And I got her really, like, I went really sentimental this year. Like, usually I just buy her shoes, clothes, stuff like that. But I went really sentimental this year, so I hope she loves it. Christmas is getting 15. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 85 in Christmas, which is nowhere near what our budget was, but budget was 200 and I just used my credit card for that, so that's fine. Car, I gotta get me in car soon. I have to get my brakes done, and that's like almost $2,000. So I did apply for a card to get my brakes done, but I'm like, I don't know if I want to use it, and then I'd be struggling to pay all these credit cards off. So I'm figuring out when I should do it and things like that. So car is getting 20. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, and 72 in car. But just only doing 3 paychecks so far, I have a decent amount. I was thoroughly surprised. Travel is getting 30 today. So 20, 30. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, and 60. Okay, home, we'll be getting $5. So now we're at 10, 20, 25, and 30 in home. And y'all guys know I am low budget. I'm a low budget. I'm low income. Wow, I am definitely not low budget. School, we'll be getting 35. I did continue my swim lessons, but I had to cancel them because I have so many trips coming up. I was just like, I can't continue to just go. So I might use this money for something else, or I might just continue to save it until I start back up in February. But right now, school has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we're at 140 in school. I might low-key just keep stacking this up and use it towards my student loans. So emergency is getting 25. And this is one of the savings challenges that I am doing. I just decided to do the budget with the Manda 1K savings, and I was looking at it and I was doing the math, and I realized that all her boxes, like if you do it from top to bottom, equals 25. So I'm just saving $25 throughout the whole time until I fill in all the boxes. So right now we're at 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85 an emergency. Savings, well, this is my savings, and then this is my little sister's savings. I had to take this savings out of my new binders, but yeah, so my savings, I just do 30 and then I split it in half. So my savings will be getting 15. Okay. So So right now I have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50 in savings. And then my sister is getting 15. And she has 10, 20, 25, and 30. I just started this for her because I don't know if you guys know, but my sister, she does have autism. She's 7. And I'm just like, I started thinking towards the future, and I'm like, I never know what's going to happen in life. And when my parents pass away, eventually, hopefully not for a very, 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 very long time, I know that she'll end up living with me instead of my brothers. So I'm like, at least to have that as a backup, because you never know what doctor's appointments or anything she might have when that time does come. So yeah, I'm just planning ahead. And now I have started the 100 envelope challenge, and I did get this challenge done from, I'm in a Facebook group for cash envelope budgeters and people like that, and I reached out to her. I will leave her name on the screen, and I'll leave like her Facebook page in the description down below. But she was so kind to make this for me, and I told her I just wanted different shades of pink, and she came through. So today I will be doing envelopes 10 through 13. So 10, 11, 12, and 13. And I just put this little picture in here to kind of separate it off so I know what I've done and what I haven't. So I am doubling it as well. So 10 envelope will be getting a $20 bill. And I just love these envelopes that you could just, like, the money goes all the way in. Like, there's nothing sticking out at the top. I really did not like the envelopes where the money sticks out at the top. I don't know why. It's just not my aesthetic. But yeah, so 11 is getting 22. So 21 got 2. So I hope I am able to finish this by the end of next year, because I did start this year towards the end. So 12 is getting 24, 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because this 10,000 would be amazing if I actually am able to save it. Because I have decided that this savings challenge is more important than like my sinking funds. I mean, I guess not more important, but I do care more about the savings challenge than my sinking funds. So I will always stuff my savings challenge, even if I don't stuff nothing in my sinking funds, if that makes sense. And then 13 is 26, so 25 and 6. So and that's it. So I've done up to 13 so far, and I still have a long way to go, but what did they say? It's a marathon, not a sprint. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am so happy to be back. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up so we can spread my love and my vibe throughout YouTube. I do have a goal, not like a 2022 goal, but just a YouTube lifetime goal, that I do want to be one of the first cash stuffers to reach 1 million subscribers, because I don't think nobody has reached 1 million, and that would be amazing. That's like my lifetime goal. Even if it takes me 15 years, we will get 1 million subscribers. I will try to stay on my game. I will also be doing budget with me's, because I just realized that a lot of people don't budget the way I budget. I mean, I budget like others budget, but it seemed like everybody knows their numbers. And I know when you're budgeting, it's impossible to just know every single number that you're going to do. So I just feel like my budgeting is going to show a different way. Like, it's okay if you don't know exactly what you're trying to put where and things like that. So yeah. So yeah, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.